Ladies and gentlemen, listen closely. If you want greatness, if you want success, if you want influence, you must make education a daily ritual. Not the kind that ends with a certificate, not the kind that waits on a teacher. I am talking about the relentless fire of self-education. Knowledge is the seed of every achievement, every invention, every empire, every fortune, started with an idea. And ideas only come alive when you sharpen your mind. 1 hour of learning every day turns into 7 hours a week, 30 hours a month, 360 hours a year. That is the difference between the ordinary and the unstoppable. You cannot build power without compounding knowledge. Ignorance is the most expensive mistake you will ever make. People lose jobs, lose businesses, lose relationships because they never invested in educating themselves daily. The world punishes the unprepared and rewards the educated mind. Every day you must feed your mind with books, with ideas, with strategies, truths that elevate you. Why? Because the day you stop learning is the day you start dying. Stagnation is death disguised as comfort. Opportunities do not knock on closed minds. They bow only to the prepared. And preparation comes from discipline. The discipline to read, to study, to question, to expand your vision. Education is not a luxury, it is a duty to yourself. Your brain is your greatest capital. It is worth more than money, more than status, more than connections. Money can be lost, connections can fade. But knowledge, once yours, becomes a fortress that no one can take away. So hear me clearly, educate yourself daily. Make it your non-negotiable, make it your weapon, make it your shield, make it your habit, and you will walk through life armed with a power so great that nothing, no failure, no rejection, no obstacle will ever conquer you. The mind that learns daily, rules daily. Knowledge is the seed of every achievement. Without it, nothing begins, nothing grows, and nothing. NG lasts. Every empire that was built, every fortune that was created, every invention that changed the world, all of it started with a single piece of knowledge planted in the mind of someone who refused to remain ignorant. Knowledge is the origin of all power, and when you understand this truth, you will stop wasting time and start feeding your mind daily, because your future depends on it. Think of the seed. A seed by itself is small, fragile, even invisible to the casual eye. But when it is nurtured, when it is watered, when it is protected, it grows into a tree that gives shade, fruit, and shelter for generations. Knowledge works the same way. What seems like a small lesson, a short chapter, a single idea, can expand into results so powerful that it transforms not only your life, but the lives of thousands around you. Every great leader, every visionary, every innovator planted that seed of daily self-education and refused to let it die. But here is where most people fail. They NT the fruit without planting the seed. They want success without knowledge. They want wealth without wisdom. They want freedom without discipline. And life simply does not work that way. You cannot cheat the law of growth. If you are not planting knowledge daily, you are preparing yourself for failure daily. Ignorance is not just weakness, it is the most expensive mistake you will ever pay for. People lose opportunities not because they are unlucky, but because they were unprepared, uneducated, and blind to the chance standing right in front of them. The man or woman who refuses to learn is silently digging their own grave. The world is evolving every single day, and if you do not evolve with it, you are already left behind. 1 hour of education every day may seem small, but over a year it becomes 360 hours of growth. That is the difference between a stagnant mind and a powerful mind. That is the difference between the average and the unstoppable. Imagine the stray, the confidence, the certainty you would carry if you dedicated yourself to that discipline. Do not wait for someone else to teach you. Do not sit around hoping that schools, mentors, or society will hand you wisdom. True power comes from self-education, the hunger to dig, to read, to study, to observe, to question, and to apply. The world does not reward those who are merely taught. It rewards those who teach themselves. Discipline in learning creates mastery in action. If you want to command respect, if you want to move mountains, if you want to leave a legacy, you must become a master of your own mind. The truth is simple. If you stop learning, you start dying. The body may live, but the mind decays. Stagnation is death disguised as comfort. That is why so many people live average lives, because they chose comfort over growth, entertainment, over education, and excuses over effort. But you do not have to be one of them. You can rise above the crowd by dedicating yourself to daily education. Read books that stretch your vision. Listen to voices that challenge your thinking. Study strategies that sharpen your skills. Every single day, pour something valuable into your mind, because your brain is the most powerful capital you will ever own. Money can be lost, connections can fade, status can be stripped away, but knowledge, once planted, belongs to you forever. It becomes your fortress, your shield, your weapon. It allows you to adapt when others crumble, to create when others complain, and to lead when others follow. Knowledge is not just power. It is survival, it is strength. It is the very foundation of freedom. Do not treat education as an option. Treat it as oxygen. As long as you are breathing, you must be learning. Each day you neglect this, you are weakening yourself. Each day you embrace it, you are fortifying yourself. The educated mind cannot be enslaved, cannot be deceived, cannot be broken. The educated mind is unshakable because it knows where it stops. NDS and how to rise higher. Opportunities bow only to the prepared. Doors open only to those who have sharpened their minds enough to see the handle and turn it. Life gives its treasures only to those who have earned them with daily discipline. And that discipline begins with your decision right now to educate yourself daily. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because if not today, then when? So hear this with clarity. Educate yourself daily. Make it your non-negotiable, make it your duty. Make it your ritual. Make it the first step of every morning and the last step of every night. Because if you want to build a life of power, influence, freedom, and impact, there is no other way. Knowledge is the seed of every achievement. Plant it, nurture it, guard it, and watch as it grows into greatness that nothing and no one can take away from you. Daily education compounds into unstoppable power. A single day of learning may seem small, even insignificant, but when repeated with discipline, T builds into a force so strong that it can tear down walls of limitation and construct empires of success. What you do once will not change your destiny, but what you do daily will define your life. A drop of water seems powerless, yet over time it carves valleys and shapes stone. In the same way, daily education, consistent, persistent, and relentless, sculpts the mind into something extraordinary. Greatness has never been a sudden strike of luck. It has always been the result of steady, compounding growth. Knowledge compounds like money invested wisely. The more you deposit into your mind, the more interest it pays back in wisdom, opportunities, confidence, and power. While others waste their hours on distractions, the disciplined learner builds silently until one day their power is undeniable. Success is not random. It bows only to those who prepare their minds daily. Think of it. Every page you read, every lesson you absorb, every skill you sharpen is like stacking bricks, a single. Brick builds nothing. 10 bricks build very little. But brick after brick, day after day, becomes a fortress. And that fortress is your mind, strong, unshakable, and indestructible. Most people underestimate the power of small daily actions. They believe change must be massive and immediate. They are wrong. Change that lasts is born from the compounding power of what you do consistently. The danger lies in neglect. Ignore your mind for a day and you notice nothing. Ignore it for a year and you will watch your life remain stuck, stagnant, and powerless. The person who refuses to learn daily begins to decay mentally while pretending to live physically. They are unprepared for opportunity, blind to growth, and defenseless against challenges. Life punishes those who stay ignorant, but it rewards those who make education their daily ritual. Daily education is not just about books, lectures, or classrooms. It is about hunger, the hunger to grow, to sharpen,